Taco the Goofy Dog Loves Shoes by Lil Rustle. This is Taco, a goofy pup. When Mom comes home, he sits right up. Click! Mom opens the door. He squeezes through the gap, grabs a shoe and dashes off in a snap. He shakes it high, he shakes it low. Then off he goes, oh no, oh no. Around the couch, he runs so fast. Then whoosh, Taco zooms right past. Taco, drop it! Drop that shoe, Mom calls out. But Taco zooms out of view.